After our time spent with Motolife, we headed back to Vladivostok to prepare for our trip across to Japan. We found a nice hotel in Sedanka Park, and unbeknown to me, John had been planning a very special surprise for my birthday.
We are landing now on the T planet. Vladivostok.
So we're reunited with Max.
Yeah.
The T man.
The T man.
He's got a new stove.
It's great because it's Katie's birthday, so we're all like, back together.
It's getting true, the plan. Arrived just a little bit too early, but
and we're at the edge of the world as well. It's brilliant. So good.
Amazing.
Yeah. I can't wait for this aquarium. I think it's gonna be really good.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be funny as well.
It's amazing.
The wonder of the oceans.
We then left the aquarium to head back into the city centre to enjoy the tourist attractions.
No more Mac coffee.
No more Mac coffee. 3 in 1. And still feeling full of energy, we smartened ourselves up back at the hotel room and hit the town once again in the evening to celebrate my birthday and spend one last quality night with Max.
Oh, nice.
how I call it? Coffee shop. Coffee shop.
Sambuca with
I love Sambuca.
butterfly.
Yeah. I thought that was
Spasibo.
If you take yours one.
We saw you!
It was sad to say goodbye once again, but Max's journey was taking him to Australia, and John and I were eager to catch the ferry the following day to head to Japan. It wasn't a great start when John woke up with a hugely inflamed lip in the morning, but thankfully, with a little bit of antihistamine cream, it returned back to normal as we packed up our things before heading to the port.
Some sacrifices have to be made, don't they, before boarding this ferry?
They do. I've already actually made a video as well for this. It's time to say goodbye to these little beauties.
Oh, of your boots?
It shows how much I love them that we've done 2.
Oh.
Yeah. I'm actually really sad. Last night was all a bit of a joke, but this morning...
I know. I'm actually a little bit sad as well.
Maybe I should take them with me.
They've been through like
so much
hell and
shit.
back. Yeah.
I need to not think about it, I might cry. Nothing will fit in this bag, John. Once on board, we quickly headed below deck to check out the Eastern Dreams living quarters. How you feeling, John?
Yeah, really good. It's the stuff of travelling dreams.
T 3000.
That's Jedno, isn't it?
Oh yeah. I'm still on Russian. I'm still on Russian. Although that might, I don't know what it is. I thought it was quite close to Russian. Okay, on board DVS ferry, yeah?
On board DVS ferry.
This is definitely stuff of travelling dreams. For me, this is amazing. Like,
Can you believe we're here?
I know. On our way.
I said earlier that at the start of our trip, when people asked where we were going, we're like, oh, Japan. We're like, oh my god, Japan.
Yeah.
It's Japan. It's like the other side of the world. And now you're in Vladivostok. Where are you going? Japan. Oh no, we're just doing South Korea. But
Yeah. But we got the best spot. Economy, but it's like we got our own apartment really. Because
we've nicked the secret cupboards.
We've got the end bit,
So
we've got the secret cupboard at the back, so you've got the life jackets and stuff.
Basically, like John said, they used the life jackets probably on the last trip.
Yeah, they were all used up then, so they got spare.
Haven't stocked up.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's great for us now. Maybe not if the boat starts to sink.
Well, no, this is right for us because it's right here next to us.
In the end, and some other people can go.
Sorry, dude. So we got the top and the bottom right at the end of this. It's perfect. Kate, you can throw up
I
at
can
the
throw
end.
up in peace. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just read this. Just
karaoke.
Oh, you're gonna be on there?
No, you're on tonight.
You love karaoke.
Singing,
I like to go through
Ironic,
healthy checks. Safety checks. Put your head through the life jacket. Turn waistband to behind the back and insert the buckle. Pull one end of the belt until it fits comfortably around your waist. Use the whistle as necessary.
I love it. How did he keep the same face every photo?
Yeah, even when he's blowing a whistle.
Exactly the same face. Here's my whistle blowing face.
What are you doing?
Just testing.
Do you know you're supposed to drink it or eat it yet?
This one's hot. Okay, at least we've got tea. Should we get tea?
Oh, is that a bin? Oh, I'm not sure that is. I'm not sure that is a bin. Maybe just do what other people do and just politely leave it on the top. John's excited because there's glitter.
This is where I'll be. This is where I'll be queuing here later. Don't know what to say.
No, neither.
Trying to find a cat. A biting dog. Apparently biting a cat.
What? What are we looking for a dog? We're looking for a man.
Or a man. Or maybe a man. Yeah.
What have you been looking for?
Dog biter. Last seen biting cat. Oh yeah. So it's a man biting a cat.
I've been looking for a man anyway. But apparently, if you find the man on the boat, you get a gift shop, a free thing from the gift shop, don't you?
But you've got to be the first 3 people, so we've been walking around trying to find it.
I don't think it exists. I think it's a trap. I think it sends everyone to the club because that's where the cat is.
Maybe so.
And they go in for drinks.
Maybe so you walk around so you know where all the fire escapes are.
Maybe actually. Do you know where any of the other health and safety stuff is?
Yeah.
Where's the first aid room?
Where? I don't know.
We would soon be setting foot in Japan, the last country on our motorcycle adventure itinerary. So much had happened over the last 4 months, and as we breathed in the fresh sea air, we both gave a sigh of relief. We were nearly there, our final destination.